I am Namratha, and in this video I am here to talk to you about ecosystem. Imagine that you are watering to plants. So they look so fresh, but if you don't water to plants or don't provide enough nutrients or simply keep it away from sunlight, will they grow and look fresh? Definitely your answer will be no. Nature can't function like that. Let me explain. Here is an example. Plant is a living component and factors like soil, sun and water are non-living components. Plant can't live by its own. It is dependent on non-living components like sun, water and soil. In our surroundings, there are different types of living and non-living components and coexisting. They are constantly interacting with each other. This is what an ecosystem is. Ecosystem, a community of living forms concurrent with non-living components and interacting. Now, let me explain who found out this ecosystem. It was done by A.J. Tansley in year 1953. Now, I am going to tell about types of ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. It means terrestrial means land based and aquatic means water based. Now, I am going to tell about terrestrial ecosystem briefly. It is of 4 kinds and in different regions. First, let me tell about forest ecosystem. In this, you can find tall and different type of trees and different type of plants like herbs, shrubs and animals, birds, reptiles and insects. Some are living and some are non-living and they are coexisting with each other. Now, let's learn about grassland ecosystem. Easily we can find out that grassland ecosystem is for vegetation and here you can find different type of insects. Now let me explain about desert ecosystem. You can't find different type of trees here, but there are different type of not different, but there are some animals which can inhabitate in that region, that is camel, or different type of snakes will be also found there. And also you can find out cactus. Now let me explain about tundra ecosystem. It means it is covered with cold completely and there are variety of trees and animals like penguins. Now let's know about aquatic ecosystem, water based. It is of 2 kinds, marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. First, let's know about marine ecosystem. It has higher amount of salt concentration. It includes seas and oceans and have a large variety of organisms in it. But if we go to freshwater ecosystem, there is lesser amount of salt concentration. It includes rivers, streams, lakes and small ponds. And it doesn't have larger amount of organisms in it. Now, you may get doubt that all our surroundings are part of ecosystem. Yes, to a small pond, to a big ocean, to a small hut, to a big bungalow, everything comes under ecosystem. For this session, we end. And in next section, I am going to tell about structure of ecosystem and more about it. Thank you.